Lamborghini's factory produces over 10,000 supercars annually, generating an impressive profit of over $3 billion. All of this is possible thanks to the more than 4,000 workers who hand-assemble each of the 50,000 parts that make up every Lamborghini. We will see the entire process that each machine goes through, from the design of its imposing bodies to the manufacture of its powerful engines. So get ready, because today we are going to discover how one of the most powerful and exclusive supercars in the world is made. Let's begin. Step number 1. Design creation. The manufacture of a Lamborghini begins long before the first piece is assembled. The process starts with the design, where a team of hundreds of engineers and designers transforms ideas into a high-performance and beautiful machine. To do this, they must follow Lamborghini's unique aesthetic, aggressive, imposing lines that represent the essence of these supercars. In this step, not only the bodywork is designed, but also all the key components of the car: the engine, the chassis, the wheels, and every part that must fit perfectly. Lamborghini designers begin with hand sketches, outlining the first ideas. Next, these sketches are taken to 3D models using computer-aided design software, which allows them to simulate how the vehicle will behave in various conditions and adjust each line with precision. Each Lamborghini model goes through more than 50 prototypes before reaching the final version, a process that can last months or even years. The goal is to ensure that everything is perfectly balanced between beauty, power, and performance. Once the final design is approved, the next step is to select the materials that will bring this masterpiece to life. Let's see what exclusive materials Lamborghini selects. Step number 2. Material selection. The selection of materials is a fundamental step in the manufacture of a Lamborghini, as they influence the car's durability, performance, and aesthetics. A Lamborghini is mostly composed of carbon fiber, which makes up approximately 40% of the vehicle. This material is light but extremely strong, which allows for weight reduction without sacrificing rigidity, optimizing performance at high speeds. For the exterior and internal components, aluminum is also used, known for its lightness and strength. It is used in engine parts and the car's structure, improving speed and safety. For high-performance components, such as the engine and suspension, titanium is used, a durable material resistant to high temperatures, ideal for withstanding the intense pressures to which the car is subjected. And of course, for the luxurious interior of each Lamborghini, high-quality leather is selected, used in the seats, steering wheels, and finishes, ensuring a luxury and comfort experience on every journey. With the materials chosen, the next step is to build the chassis. Let's see it. Step number 3. Chassis manufacturing. The chassis of a Lamborghini is the base on which the entire vehicle is built. It is essential that it is extremely strong to support the engine and internal components, but also light for optimal performance at high speeds. The Lamborghini factory produces more than 10,000 supercars annually, generating impressive profits of over $3 billion. All of this is possible thanks to the more than 4,000 workers who hand-assemble each of the 50,000 pieces that make up each Lamborghini. Once the parts are cut, the initial assembly of the chassis is carried out. Everything is placed in a holding structure, and the operators verify that it is correctly aligned before welding. Here, advanced technologies, such as laser welding, are used, which ensures strong and durable joints. The chassis is then subjected to rigorous structural rigidity and impact resistance tests to ensure that it can withstand the forces at high speeds. Just the chassis of a Lamborghini can cost up to $50,000 due to the exclusive materials and specialized labor. With the chassis ready, we move on to the next step: engine manufacturing. Step number 4. Engine manufacturing. The engine of a Lamborghini is the soul of the car. Lamborghini's V10 and V12 engines are famous for their exceptional power and the characteristic roar they emit, a sound that distinguishes Lamborghini from other sports car manufacturers. The manufacture of these engines begins with the assembly of the more than 1,000 pieces that compose them. Each piece is assembled manually by highly specialized operators who ensure that each component fits perfectly. The pistons, cylinders, valves, and crankshaft are hand-assembled with impressive precision, ensuring efficient and flawless operation. A Lamborghini engine can have up to 800 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds exceeding 350 kilometers per hour, making it one of the most powerful and fastest engines in its class. Once assembled, the engine goes through a series of performance tests that include measurements of acceleration, power, and its performance in extreme conditions. Only after passing these rigorous tests is the engine ready to be mounted on the car's chassis. With the engine ready, it's time to mount the Lamborghini's body. Step number 5. Body assembly. The body of a Lamborghini not only stands out for its impressive aesthetics, but also for its functionality to improve vehicle performance through advanced aerodynamics. The process begins with the molding of the body parts using advanced materials such as carbon fiber and aluminum. This stage is crucial to ensure the lightness and strength of the vehicle. Precision in molding is achieved through advanced manufacturing techniques, such as the autoclave for carbon fiber, where parts are cooked under high pressure and temperature to ensure their rigidity and durability. Once molded, parts such as doors, hood, and side panels are meticulously assembled in the workshop. Each component is precisely adjusted to ensure perfect alignment and optimize the vehicle's aerodynamics. The assembly requires not only technical precision, but also exceptional care from the operators who manually adjust and fix each panel using specialized tools. With the body assembled, the painting process begins. This process includes the application of several layers. A base layer that protects the material, followed by the desired color, and finally a layer of lacquer to ensure a shiny and resistant finish to environmental conditions. Each Lamborghini undergoes a meticulous hand polishing process to eliminate imperfections and ensure a mirror finish that stands out in any light. With the body completed and every detail taken care of, the vehicle is ready to receive the interiors and internal components, thus preparing each Lamborghini to offer an unparalleled driving experience. Step number 6. Assembly of internal components and interiors. The interior of a Lamborghini is as exclusive as its exterior, and each component is made with the highest quality materials to offer luxury and comfort. This process combines both manual work and the use of high-precision machines. The seats, for example, are handcrafted using high-end leather. Each seat is meticulously adjusted and covered by specialized operators who ensure a perfect finish and maximum comfort. The steering wheel, also covered in leather, is equipped with precision controls and manually adjusted to ensure optimal performance. Regarding the installation of touchscreens and navigation systems, automated equipment is used to integrate them into the dashboard, while operators manually adjust and connect the systems to ensure everything works perfectly. Safety systems, such as airbags and seatbelts, are installed by operators and specialized machines, who are responsible for fixing each component in place to ensure that everything is properly secured. With the interior assembled and adjusted, the Lamborghini is ready to move on to the final stage. Testing and quality control. Let's see it. Step number 7. Quality control, testing, and distribution. Before a Lamborghini leaves the factory, it undergoes a series of exhaustive tests. These tests include acceleration, braking, maneuverability, and also behavior in curves, all performed under extreme conditions to ensure that the car can perform at its best in any situation, from the smoothest road to the most demanding circuit. Every day at the Lamborghini factory, several cars are assembled and tested, ensuring that each one passes these rigorous evaluations. Every detail is reviewed with millimeter precision, ensuring that there is no room for error. Once the car has passed all the tests, the operators make final adjustments. These adjustments may include the calibration of the systems, the perfection of the lines, and the review of all components to ensure that everything is in place, working with maximum efficiency. The car is delivered to its owner at an exclusive dealership, where the customer can personalize every aspect, from the spoilers, the body color, the interior finishes, and the rims, making each Lamborghini a unique car, fully adapted to the preferences of its owner. To finish, tell us, what is your favorite Lamborghini? Were you surprised by everything involved in manufacturing such an exclusive car? Leave us your answer in the comments. And if this video surprised you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more fascinating manufacturing processes.